Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing really great. So how's your exam preparation going on? Tell me in the comment section how your preparations are going on for the May 2022 attempt. Is your syllabus complete? How's your revisions going on and everything? Just let me know in the comment section how are all these things going, right? And if there are any worry issues, you can tell me that also. So guys, as you all know, we are all preparing for May 2022 exams. Just a few days left for the exams, and in the last few days, I have been getting lot of requests that sir, we want to do a particular topic in cost accounting. We want to cover a particular, the question of the ICAI module or the particular chapter of the ICAI module. Sir, can we do that? Right? We have a complete cost accounting ICAI SM series, which is currently available on our mobile app. But students were requesting me that, sir, we want to do only a particular question, we want to do a particular chapter only. How can we do that? As the exams are very near, we want to clear our doubts. So guys, I have a very, very good news for all of you. All those who want to do this kind of a thing, that they want to do a particular chapter, I have provided on my mobile app a very special course, that is Cost Accounting ICAI SM course, 48-hour series. 48-hour series. What does it mean by 48-hour series? That you will get access to the Cost Accounting ICAI SM series, the complete series, all the chapters for 48 hours. You will get the access for 48 hours. Sir, will there be charges? A very nominal charges of 100 rupees for this course. You will get the access for 48 hours. In 48 hours, whichever chapter you wish to do, you can do. Whichever question you wish to do, multiple chapters you wish to do, you will get the access for the whole of the series. You will get the access to, right? And sir, is it available in only Hindi or only English? It will be available in both. It will be available in Hindi also, and it will be available in English also, right? But make sure the access is only and only for 48 hours. So guys, go for it. This is a golden opportunity before the exam. This is a great opportunity to clear all your doubts regarding the ICAI study module. And as you all know, this is one of the most important courses. Why it is one of the most important courses? That 50 to 60% of your paper is set from ICAI module only, right? With a little bit of twist and turns and everything, but the basic remains the same. 50 to 60% of the basic remains the same. So this course has already benefited thousands of students. Currently around 200 to 250 students are already joined. And one very important thing, after you have joined this 48-hour course, if you wish to join the full course, right, you feel like we are getting extremely benefited in this 48-hour course. Whatever lectures you have listened, you feel that you are getting extremely benefited and you want to join the full course of ICAI SM series, you can join that and get this rupees 100 adjusted in that price, right? So if the price of that course is approximately 1400 rupees, the complete course, so afterwards, if you wish to join this course, you can get your 100 rupees adjusted here. The remaining price you will have to pay, or whatever is the price, because sometimes the discounts are also there on the regular courses, right? So this 100 rupees will be adjusted whenever you wish to join the regular course. So this is a great opportunity for all of you to get your doubts clear, to get a strong hold on the chapters which you feel like we are not able to do the questions, right? 48 hours is good enough for time, right? It is approximately a 30 to 35 hours course. 30 to 35 hours course, right? So you can cover all your chapters which you feel are weak. Now, how to get access to the course? Very simple. You don't have to do anything. Just download our Android or the iOS mobile app, right? So this mobile app is available for Android also and for iOS also. What to do for that? The links are given in the video description also. I'll just let you know that how to access this. For Android, you directly go to Google Play Store and search for KSJ Teaching, right? You will get the app, download the app, log in, go to the store section at the bottom of the app, you will get the access to that, right? What about the iOS app, sir? In case of iOS, you have to go to the Apple Play Store, search for My Institute app. My Institute app. Download the My Institute app. Once you have downloaded it, it will ask for the organization code. It will ask for the organization code in which you have to fill it HMR Once you fill this organization code, you will be able to access all the courses of KSJ Teaching, right? The fast track courses, ICAI courses, cost accounting, financial management, every course you will be able to access in that case, right? So guys, this is a great opportunity. This was a good news that I wanted to share with all of you, that before exams, you can take advantage of this one great course that I have provided you. Because why I have provided this course? Because in the last few days, I have hundreds of queries regarding this, that sir, we want to do only this chapter, we want to do only this particular chapter. I'm facing a lot of problem in this particular chapter. So it was not possible to take up all the queries and everything, right? So this is an opportunity for all of you to get join and get all your doubts cleared, right? So all the best, guys, all the best for your preparation, and all those who have already joined the regular course of cost accounting ICSM series, they need not worry, right? These are the same lectures. They have already joined it, so nothing to worry about it. You people don't have to do anything else, right? You are already enrolled in one of the best courses and in one of the most valuable courses, okay? So guys, all the best. See you there. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.